Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. I've brought you another video about writing, and in this video I'm going to show you a website, a single website that's going to make you the minimum of $100 per 1,000 words you write. I posted a video 3 days ago about a website that can make you money also, but if you are not accepted by that website, this is another website that you should actually check out, and this one I bet you is far better than the one I posted before. So let's get started. So all what you have to do is just go to this website that says getcopywriter.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So you go to getcopywriter.com and just go to the bottom, then click the button that says join as a writer. But before you join, as you can see, there are lots of niches that this website takes writing from: businesses, lifestyle, health, financial, technical, architecture, education, travel, real estate, insurance, media, and so lot of that. So what you have to do is just click on the button that says join as a writer. So it's going to take you to this page, and make sure to read what's on this page. And part of what is on the page is how you are going to perform on the website after being approved. Like I said earlier, this website is very easy to sign up to, and also they have cool stuff for you there. So from what I said earlier, I said you can make up to $100 per 1,000 words, and that's very true from this website. So, and that's what they said here also. You can make up to $100 from this particular website, writing just 1,000 words. So, if you are kind of person that writes a lot, maybe you write 5,000 words in a day, that's around $500. So, you have to check it. You have to check this website out. And the good thing I like about this website is that there is a consistent workflow in there, no bidding, which means that you don't have to start applying for work. Work is already there. Then you just have to get yourself approved, work on the platform, and get your money. So they don't have fees. There's no, there's nothing like 10% out of your money or 20% out of your money. All what you earn on the platform is actually for you. And they have weekly payouts. And it's totally flexible. Like I said earlier, it's zero fees too. So this is the process for you to apply. When you fill out your information, you have to do a test, and it's an English test. I've did the test. The test is very simple, and you have to submit your existing samples. I'm going to show you how you are going to get a sample of work. You don't have an existing sample, and when they check your work, if they like it, they are going to get you approved, and you start working for them. So let me show you the sign up process. You apply to join a copywriter here. So now you are on the sign up page. You're going to input your name here. I'm just going to put this, your email address. I'm doing this for the sake of this video. So this email address, I'm going to use the same email address as password also, and choose United States. It's going to, if you choose United States, it's going to make your application get approved faster. So you can put a phone number there also. So if you don't have LinkedIn account, you don't have to put anything there. So just click on I'm not a robot, then agree to the service agreement, and submit your application. Now, I told you earlier that you are going to do an English proficiency test. So the English proficiency test is just to evaluate your knowledge of English language. So it's a very simple test that you can do on your own. So, okay, if you get to this stage, you have to start the test, and the test is timed. This is the time below here. This is time here. You have up to like 10 minutes to finish this test. So it's now up to you now to do the test and submit the test for evaluation. And after that, you're going to submit to them your writing sample. So about the writing sample, I told you that I'm going to show you how to get the writing samples. If you have not been writing before and you needed the writing samples, you can easily go to ChatGPT to get you your writing samples. ChatGPT is an AI. I'm very sure you have heard about ChatGPT. So I'm going to drop the link of ChatGPT in the description below also if you have not heard about ChatGPT before. So this is the interface. So if you need a writing samples, you just have to brainstorm on any of this topic, any of the topic on their website, any topic, any blog title in any niches here, maybe under business, lifestyle, health, financial, technical, architecture, education. Just brainstorm any topic. So for the purpose of this video, let me just show you how to use ChatGPT to get that. I'm going to be getting a topic under business, so I'll just tell ChatGPT, give me 3 topic ideas under business. So it's already writing it. You just have to choose the one that you like out of the 3 that ChatGPT provided for you. Assume you are choosing this number 1, the rise of remote work and its impact on productivity and employee satisfaction. So you just tell ChatGPT to help you write about this. So that's just it for this particular website. And when they are done, you are going to submit it, and it's going to take up to 7 days for them to evaluate your work. So guys, if you like this video and this video helped you in one way or the other, click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.